Hi everyone, it's Rizwan here. This video I'm going to give some interactive visualizations of some digital transformation diagrams. Hopefully it'll be quite helpful. So before digitalization, it was more of a buzzword. So since we've seen the rise of ChatGPT and AI and ML applications, and combined with that, we've seen how shutdown have during lockdown has kind of forced every company to rethink and reorganize their ways of working. So it's now become more of a strategic competitive factor to enable resilience in companies. So if you know, like during COVID-19, those companies and businesses and people who are not digitalized, they were not able to maintain the normal business functions. So they were somewhat forced to rapidly digitalize their services. So it's more of a sink or swim kind of mindset. So when you see these type of things that happen, it's more of a complete restructuring of the company's way of working. And we can see through each of these diagrams, it's the restructuring and the impact and changes is more impactful than the one before. So during the last step, the digital transformation and beyond, we can see it will completely change the way we work and the way we think about work as well. So it's quite impactful. So in this diagram here, it's much more of a nice way to visualize how maybe a company will operate and the factors involved with it in terms of the digital transformation. So let's start at the bottom here. So we can see the technology at the bottom. It will be kind of one of the pillars foundation in helping the digital transformation of a company. So imagine like, the standard data visualization, data explanation, visualize, and like AI ML stuff and the cloud technology and storage. And this imagine this little orange circle here goes to the customer, and the customer maybe it might not work for them, or maybe it'll work for them. So it's always a feedback loop that always comes back and forth and back and forth towards the customer and the business as well. And in terms of the value creation and the value proposition, in digital transformation stage, it's all about value and providing the best value to the customer. So the business will be just pushing a value and pushing more values and pushing new innovative ideas. And at the highest level is the digital business model. So it's always being transformed based on the customer feedback as well. So the entire business model is built in a way that it's proposing value and it's doing new things and terms of technology as well. So unlike the previous models, the previous one's more of like a legacy system. But imagine where the customer relies on the business, and the customer maybe can't really have much of a say, or maybe a bit of a say. But now when every company now has the power of these advanced technologies, every company can maybe outcompete the bigger ones, even the smaller ones. So that's why most businesses now are trying to push this digital transformation agenda. So look at the purple little stars here. So we can see at number 5, 8, 9, and 7, it's all about the corporate culture and all about the top management as well, and having this mindset that the digital transformation stage is not something that that's one-off thing. It will greatly impact and change the way we work. So um, and the foundations for pushing this digital transformation is the people. So imagine we have people that are qualified in these digital technologies, not just data, but cybersecurity, cloud, software engineering, and much more as well. That's just on the digital side, but also the physical side as well. Imagine people doing the server racks, or people doing the fiber optics, or doing the Wi-Fi. That's important as well, and communication with stakeholders. So it's more very value propositioned as well. And when we have software such as Zoom and online meetings, we can see that it's people don't really have to go to the office anymore. So it's becoming work from home, and we have that work from home ability. It becomes more of like a gig economy. So what if someone works from home in a different country? So these are just some things that are being discussed, not just from myself, but from the higher up people in terms of like World Economic Forum and World Health Organization. So these people that kind of know what's going on, they're already discussing and implementing these things. So it's quite transformative, and understanding where you will fit in this new phase of life will greatly help you plan your future endeavors. So I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and hopefully I can do more of these videos.